Are we rolling?
We are rolling.
Oh gosh, okay. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You know what my dad does whenever I would wake up when I was a kid? He'd go, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. That's better than hearing an alarm. Dad, I miss you. Anyway, you guys, is it morning already? Oh, it happens so fast. Hey guys, what's up? Tia Mowry here. Look, I just have to tell you something. No matter who you are, no matter what you say you are, you guys, waking up to an alarm, wonk, 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 is no bueno, no fun, right? We are in our deep, deep REM sleep. And then you just hear bonk, 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 bonk. It is no fun. Someone help me. But it is, you know, it's a part of life, necessary evil, should I say. As a busy working mom, come in closer, because this is really important. I feel that it's very important to have a morning routine. I'm gonna give you guys some tips and hacks on how you can get through this morning. Good morning. Oh my God. But before we get started, I just want to give a huge shout out and a special thanks to Clarins for sponsoring this episode. And don't forget to click the notification bell, please, pretty please. So, you guys, drinking 8 cups of water every day is really important. I don't know about you, but it's so hard for me to drink water. So what I like to do is I like to have a glass of water or, you know, a bottle of water right next to my bed. So that's the first thing I do in the morning. Bottoms up. The benefits of drinking water is major. It jumpstarts your metabolism. It fights fatigue, which is amazing. You know, usually you think about drinking that cup of coffee, but something as simple as water really helps with fatigue. Also, it gets rid of that like brain fog. You know what I mean? It gives you some sort of alertness. And we need that in the morning, especially when you have little kids running around like I do. Oh my gosh, I have to be alert and ready to go. Also, it helps like push toxins out of the body. Water. You're amazing, man. Planning ahead is also another great hack, and I have been doing this for years. I have 2 kids, Cairo and Cree, and the mornings can get really hectic. So one thing that I like to do is I like to make pre-made smoothie packets, right? They're delicious, they're great for you, and they're easy. All I do is put some fruits and veggies into a bag, then I freeze it so that the only thing that I have to do in the morning is add some oat milk, chia seeds, protein powder, or even collagen, and boom, I'm done. I really feel that a balanced breakfast is so important because it's the one thing that gives you that fuel to last you throughout the day. Another great tip that I have for planning ahead is I like to put my clothes out, right? The clothes that I'm gonna wear the next day, the night before. I got this tip from my mother. She used to do it all the time. You know, she has 4 kids, and that's a lot. She would do this especially on, you know, school days, right? There's a lot going on in the morning when you're getting ready for school. And my mom, she would have us put our clothes out, and I'm talking about everything, all the way down to your socks and your underwear. And if you were wearing tights that day, your tights would be out too, or even like undershirts, like everything. So the only thing you have to worry about is just, you know, putting on your clothes. I do that now. And I also do this for my kids. I'll lay out Cree's clothes from his socks to his undergarments to his, you know, t-shirts to his shoes, and the same thing with my daughter Cairo. I don't know why. I actually have more fun. Shh, don't tell Cree, but I have more fun doing this for Cairo. I don't know, like, cause I put the little bows out. It's just so cute. It's like I'm dressing a doll. It's adorable. And then, this happens to be my favorite part. I set my alarm clock. Hi, alarm clock. What's up? And you guys, it's way over there because it forces me to get out of bed, you know? Because if it was right here, I would just hit the snooze and I would just roll right back in bed. And that doesn't help any of us, right? All right. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. That was cold, you guys. So you guys know that I like to wash my face the night before. So the only thing that I have to do in the morning is just splash some nice cold water onto my face. It really wakes me up. And not only that, it just invigorates my skin, making it really nice and glowy. Another thing that I like to do is use Clarins Total Eye Lift. Now, this is an all-in-one anti-aging eye cream. You guys, you know, if I'm being honest with you, I have some concerns, right? I'm getting older, so I'm concerned about my wrinkles, my crow's feet, and my dark circles. Another thing that's a standout for me with this product is it has 94% of natural ingredients like horse chestnut that helps with those dark circles, or shea that just leaves my skin feeling really nice and soft. It contains a blend of organic harugana extract and cassie flower wax that works together to create a lift and wrinkle smoothing effect. You guys, this is like already working. This is supposed to be visible in 60 seconds. So, do my eyes look refreshed, guys? Click the link to check out Total Eye Lift and more Clarins products. When I'm just chilling with the kids around the house, I still like to look refreshed and alive, should I say. You guys, let's just keep it real. I am not a makeup expert. These are 3 things anybody can do to help you get that fresh glow. So I like to just dab a little bit of cream blush, right? And just put it right on my cheeks. On this side here. It's giving me some nice color. I love creams because they're moisturizing. Ding! I like to give my eyes a nice little pop, right? So I like to just put on some mascara here, and it just gives my eyes more definition. There we go. You can tell the difference in the right eye already. Okay, and then I'll just do the other one. Hello, good morning. And then I just like to add a little bit of color to my lips. I'm just gonna put on some lip gloss here. There we go. And look how pretty that is. And I love peachy colors because it's natural and it's close to the color of my lips. And it just makes me feel and look complete. When I don't have a lot of time to get in a full workout, I still like to move my body, right? There's a lot of benefits in getting your heart rate up. It boosts your mood, it gives you focus. So I like to put on some music and just start doing some jumping jacks. High knee kicks, just like that. Or if you don't want to do that, a good stretch works, like do some yoga, right? Namaste. More importantly, give yourself something each and every day to look forward to. I feel like it's a great motivator, right? And it also reminds you that you've got this. Some of the things that I like to do, or even you can do, I don't care if it's in the morning. This is all about self-care right now. Have, a piece of chocolate, a square, or 2 or 3. Chocolate really helps boost your mood, and it's also delicious. That's really good. Another thing you can do is, open up your journal, write down some of your thoughts, how you're feeling, or even your intentions for the day. $1 million subscribers. That's what's on my brain. No, I'm kidding, but I'm not. But maybe like, being at peace today. Living in gratitude. Just stuff like that. There's just something about putting your thoughts pen to paper. It just makes everything feel, more real. Another thing you could do is just close the door and meditate. Meditation is so good for the mind, body, and soul, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Gosh, self-care is so important because I feel like, we're always, as just people in general, putting others first. I know for me, especially, with me being a mom, and I find that a lot of women do this in general. We're nurturers at heart. I feel like women are, and we tend to always give. And by the end of the day, if you're constantly giving and not replenishing and giving some sort of self-care to yourself, your cup is empty. So how can you give the love and the affection or the attention that you need for your family, that you need for your child, that you need for your significant other, if you don't replenish yourself? So self-care is so incredibly important, in my opinion, to tackle the day. When you are taking care of yourself, then you're fully equipped to deal with mom, mommy, mom! Bring it on. All right, quick fixers, we are gonna start something new. If you know me, I love a great debate. So from now on, I am gonna ask a question and we are gonna go hard in the comments and we are going to debate which is better, daydreaming or night dreaming. I'm gonna go with night dreaming. There's just something about being in your bed with your blanket over you, you're feeling nice and cozy and warm, and you have a nice dream. I'm gonna go with night dreaming. Daydreaming, I don't know, I'm too busy to daydream. I got too much going on to daydream. I don't even think I have time to daydream. What do you guys think? Let me know. I would love to know some of your favorite morning routines. I am always on the lookout for new ideas. I also want to give a huge shout out and special thanks to Clarins for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this episode. Thank you guys so much for watching Tia Mowry's Quick Fix, but before you go, gotta have another bite of chocolate. Peace out.